Hi, today I'm going to show how quick and easy it is to create a supplier onboarding system using Market Dojo. So I'm here on the Market Dojo dashboard, and to get started I will go to Sim Dojo, which is the supplier onboarding module. And what I'm going to do here is create a process for a new company. So I don't have one yet, so I click the Get Started Now button to start. And I'm going to keep this one really simple. I'm just going to give it a name and one questionnaire where we'll ask just 3 questions, and it will be just general information. In the future you can add additional questionnaires for particular types of suppliers, so the type of questions you might not want to ask to every supplier but need for certain cases. And what I'll do next is I will add the questions, and I'm planning to just add 3 questions. I'll add a question about payment information, a question about insurance, and just to confirm that they accept our terms as well. So section 1 is payment, and the question is, please provide your payment information, your bank details. Right. We'll just make this a paragraph text so we're not enforcing too much structure here. We could enforce more structure if necessary, and we also want to know how they get paid. Is your preferred payment currency? So we're not going to score this one, but we're going to give them a pick from list option. So GBP, USD, or euros. And we'll save that one. So that's our payment information. We're keeping it nice and simple. Secondly, we want to capture a bit of information about insurance. So this is often something that people want to know. Insurance certificates. So we, in this case, want to make sure that I have public liability insurance, and insurance. And what we're looking for here is, please provide evidence that you have at least 3 million insurance. So that's a requirement for anyone doing business with my company, and I am going to score this. And what I'm going to ask for here is a document, and I also want them to specify when that insurance expires. The nice thing about that is that then the system, Market Dojo, can track that, and when the document expires, remind everybody that it needs to be updated. So remind both the supplier and the person who may be using that supplier that they need to get new insurance certificates. The final section I'm going to ask for is confirmation that they agree to our terms. Terms. It's just a section, which is a small number of questions in each section here. We'll fail them if they don't agree to our terms. Great, so that's our general questionnaire set up. There's a few other things we may choose to include, so we might add some documents. Maybe a copy of our terms would be useful, any other information that's relevant to the suppliers, and then finally we can make this event live and start inviting suppliers. So in part 2 I'll show you how to invite some suppliers. Thank you for listening.